Don Nelson, editor of the Additive Report and host of the Additive Reporter video series. I recently interviewed Dennis Fogle, who is the general manager and co-founder of Pivot AM Service, a Pella, Iowa provider of 3D printing services. One of the services they offer is advising conventional manufacturers looking to get into 3D printing. I asked Fogle, what is it that these manufacturers don't understand about additive? Here's what he said.
Well, the challenge for anybody new coming in is this industry's changed more in the last 5 years than it did in the first 25. Meaning, because patents have dropped off, there's more players entering certain spaces. And it'd be difficult for a newbie to determine what's a good technology, what's not, what's a good machine, what's not, what's going to work long term and what's not. So that's probably what they don't know, is that, hey, somebody might have a great marketing campaign and this technology might seem fabulous, but is it really sustainable? Is it going to really work for them and make money for them long term? And that's probably what people don't know yet.
I also asked him what a conventional manufacturer has to understand about 3D printing before getting into it. He replied,
well, they have to understand that there's going to be a steep learning curve. They're going to have some failures. They have to understand what the machine can't do. It's not going to be as easy or the same as a CNC machine part. But they also, a buzzword now is design for additive. And so they can rethink the parts that they want. They can design geometries that they previously could not machine. So that's the biggest growth right now, is, especially in the metals, is manufacturing pieces you could not manufacture in the past. And with that design freedom, it lets design engineers design these trick geometries that no way you could machine them, but you could make them with an additive machine, and they work, and they provide performance characteristics that could never get in the past.
This is Don Nelson of the Additive Report. Thanks for tuning in. Please check out our social media channels and our website, and I'll see you next time.